When working with matrices and linear algebra, there are two things we need to do. We need to know how to do transposes, and we need to know how to set up an inner product. If we know that, the software will take care of the rest. So as long as we match the dimensions, we should be fine. So doing a transpose in Excel is that we want to take this 5 by 3 matrix. So we have 5 rows and 3 columns, and make it into a 3 by 5 matrix instead. So we want to take the transpose. So we just want to highlight the correct dimensions. So 3 rows, 5 columns. The nice thing in Excel is that you can usually just start writing a command and hopefully it's gonna pop up. So I wanted to make a transpose, and then I get something here. I'm gonna put in, it's the A matrix. I named it in the last part. So I can just write A here once again. Or I can just select the cells I want to take the transpose of. Now, once again, these are matrices, cell arrays, so we need to hold Control, Shift, and then push Enter to make this work. Now, once again, we have an issue with Excel. I have an English language, which means that my name for this function is transpose. But depending on the exact language your Excel is using, this will have a different name. And to find that, we need to go online, and then we probably need to search for something like Excel function, Swedish, English. And then hopefully we're gonna find a list of how to translate these functions to the language that my particular Excel is using. So let's see what transpose is in my, if I use the Swedish version. Then I would have transponera instead of transpose. So depending if you're using a German, a Japanese, or Chinese version, you will not have the same function name in your version. And this is once again one of these really frustrating things with Excel. It's like it's not consistent between different languages, versions, and regions.